In ProdCamp, unlike upvotes or roadmap comments, new user feedback doesn't automatically go public for upvotes on your roadmap. Instead, it first lands in your feedback inbox to be moderated and turn into a feature opportunity for the event. Why is this important? It ensures you maintain control over your roadmap. To moderate feedback, you can either create a new feature like this, give it a name, describe it. We also recommend using tags and customizable categories to be able to organize features and further decide what to prioritize. Or you can use the search bar here to link feedback to an existing feature like this. Once linked, you can decide to make the feature public or keep it private for the moment. If you make it public, you will allow your user to upvote or comment on it to measure interest even before going to beta. Once you moderated the feedback, make sure to mark it as processed to close the feedback loop. Users will then receive a personal automated notification when the feature status changes, helping your team reignite deals, reduce churn, and drive higher product adoption. Linking feedback to feature is also really important to prioritize and measure interest. It will also help you retrieve verbatim insights directly from the feature. We'll dive deeper into this concept in another video.